So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then select more sound settings. And then once this comes up, you want to go to the recording tab. You want to find your microphone, double click on it. And you want to go to levels. You're going to be seeing microphone and microphone boost. Now what this microphone slider does, it will set the sensitivity of your microphone. And the microphone boost, this will turn up your microphone volume. So you can experiment with both of these. You might not want to keep these both on the very highest, so you can turn down microphone a little bit, and you can turn up the microphone boost, and then click on apply. Now you want to go to listen, and then select listen to this device, and then click on apply. And you should now be hearing yourself. See how that sounds. If you don't like it, then untick this box, listen to this device, and then click on apply. Now you want to go back to levels, and then just keep on experimenting. See what works best for you. So you can turn down microphone boost, and you can turn up the microphone. You can test this out. Just keep on experimenting and see what's best for your microphone. And you can also go to the advanced tab, and you can experiment with both CD quality and DVD quality. See what sounds better and louder. Another thing is that some applications take control of your microphone level. So you can untick these boxes and then click on apply. See if that works. See if that makes your microphone louder. If it doesn't, then you can just tick these boxes again and then click on apply and then click on OK. I hope this helped you increase your microphone volume.